In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take payments on Trainerize. We'll walk through the exact process from turning on payments to publishing a product and sharing the checkout link with clients so you can start getting paid right away. Begin on the web version of Trainerize, not the mobile app. Open your browser, go to the Trainerize web dashboard, and sign in to your coach or studio account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and open Payments. Depending on your layout, you may see it under Add-ons, then Payments. This is your hub for sales, subscriptions, and product setup. If this is your first time accepting payments, you'll connect Stripe, which powers Trainerize Pay. Click Setup Payments, choose Stripe, and then Connect with Stripe. You'll be redirected to Stripe's onboarding flow. Have your basic business details ready, your business name and industry, your legal name, the bank account where payouts should go, tax information, and a government ID for verification. Complete each screen and return to Trainerize. Once connected, your account is ready to take payments. Next, create something clients can buy. Go to Payments, then Products, and select Create Product. Pick the format that matches your offer, whether that's a one-time product like a 12-week program, a recurring subscription for monthly coaching, a package of sessions, or a digital program. Add a clear name and description, set the price, choose the billing frequency if it's recurring, and add a trial period if you want one. Link the program or content that should be delivered after purchase, then save the product. Aim for concise, benefit-led descriptions so clients instantly understand what they're getting. Publish the product so it's live. Choose how it's available via a public share link in the Trainerize marketplace or only to returning clients. If you're just starting, the public link is the fastest option. Open the product, click Share Link, copy the checkout link, and send it to clients. You can share it by email, messenger apps, a website button, or your social bio. Clients click the link, enter payment details, and they're automatically added to your account. After purchase, clients appear in your clients list. They're assigned the program tied to the product, Stripe processes the charge, receipts are emailed to them, and payouts flow to your bank based on Stripe's schedule. To manage everything, head to Payments, then Sales. There, you can review transactions, handle failed payments, pause or cancel subscriptions, issue refunds,